Hey there, welcome to EdisonOS. We've got an exciting new update for you. Until now, bias values could only be set for the overall assessment. But with this update, you can now add bias values for each unit individually. Let me quickly guide you through how to do it. On your dashboard, head over to Assessments. Pick the assessment you want to work on. Click on Settings. Now scroll down the Edit Assessment page. Under Assessment Configuration, turn on the option called Scale Score Configuration. Once that's enabled, click the Configure button. This will take you to the Scale Score Configuration page. Under Unit Setup, you can now adjust values for each unit separately. Just go to the unit you want, toggle on Enable Score Adjustment, and enter the value you need. Go to another unit, toggle on Enable Score Adjustment, and again, enter the value you need. Repeat the same for any other units. When you're done, click Save Scaled Score Configuration. And finally, hit Update Assessment to save your changes. Now, here's the cool part. When students finish their test and land on their summary page, they'll see the adjustment values you set reflected on each unit individually. And that's it. I hope this update makes your workflow even smoother. Thanks for watching.